On this very day, after spending an incredibly long and thoughtful period of deep reflection and consideration, I have finally come to the big decision to replace every single one of my power tools, switching over from my old Milwaukee gear to brand new DeWalt equipment. So here it is. Any professional who is equipped with DeWalt and would like to make an exchange, just let me know in the comments. That way we can do a swap. Anyway, I want to replace everything. The power tools, the hand tools, even the bits and drill bits. So I'll make a complete list of everything I have down to the smallest detail. That way we can make a completely fair and equitable exchange. A professional trade conducted strictly by the book. And that will be the end of the matter. Milwaukee, nothing but heavy duty.